When Neil Armstrong made that one small step in 1969, he was leading a lunar mission that relied a lot on his strength and that of his fellow astronauts. Fast forward to today, and the exploration of Mars is largely automated, and that means a very complex robot and software. For some upcoming missions, NASA is looking at something different. Here at the Ames Research Center in Silicon Valley, tests are underway of an extraterrestrial remote control system that will one day help astronauts and robots work together.
The future is going to be an astronaut or a series of astronauts in control of a fleet of rovers. Either if you're on the surface of a planetary body like the Moon or Mars, or from orbit.
This K-10 rover is moving under the control of Italian astronaut Luca Parmitano on the International Space Station. Signals are sent from a laptop on the ISS through NASA's communications system to Ames, and then directly to the robot.
You want to go to teleop the robot?
Yeah, I'm going to operate robot.
Our goal here really overall is to understand how humans and robots can really work well together, and not just any kinds of robots. We're really interested in remotely operated robots. And in particular, we're trying to understand how can you use these robots to really improve the way that humans can live and work in space.
Today's test simulates the deployment of a radio telescope on the far side of the Moon, the only place this side of Jupiter that doesn't get bombarded with radio interference from our planet. Because it doesn't receive radio waves from Earth, any control of a robot on the far side of the Moon would have to be done from the lunar surface or in orbit above it, something that might be a job for a future mission under NASA's Orion program. Such a mission is still several years off, but the work being done today is important to help realize it. NASA says it could also have benefits in other sectors here on Earth.
There's a lot of technologies involved in this that we're demonstrating. There are lots of potential applications, the time delay, the merging with autonomy, the medical applications, the robotic applications, and so we're quite excited about the technologies that this gets to demonstrate.
At Ames Research Center in California, this is Martin Williams, IDG News Service.